everybody? Titan pressure washing here. And it definitely got windy. About 35 mile an hour to 40 mile an hour gusts. We're here at this client's home at approximately 3,400 square feet of concrete driveway that needed to be cleaned. And we added on an additional 800 square feet for them. It just didn't look right not being completed. It's something they thought they could tackle and then realized that they couldn't, so we helped them out with that. This is a multi-level 2-story roof. It's got a lot of levels on it. I'll show you. So the roof here, you watched the video before. This roof is 8,400 square feet, and this was his first cleaning. So just going over, showing you it's still drying, so what you might think is a stain isn't. All the stains are gone. It's just the roof's still drying in certain spots. Because wind is a problem now. It slowed me down. Took me an extra hour and a half, but I got it done. Looks really good. It's just detailed work, and the wind always causes a problem. Just trying to show you the level of quality that we do, the quality work. We take our time, we do it the right way. We do it right every single time. Any issues like cracked tiles or anything like that, we always let our customers know. So I've already noted the cracks in the tiles in the areas like here that need to be fixed, and the client already knows. This is super windy. Not prime roof cleaning times, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So this roof was put on in 2014. If you watch the previous video, you'll see that this one was pretty bad. Wasn't the worst I've seen, but it needed to be cleaned. Came out and knocked out the right way. And here's the section where we added the concrete driveway, did all the curbing. All that was all black and had mustard allergy all over it. Cleaned all that, and the guys are there. Wave hi. Oh, I know. Yeah, they're excited. They want to go fishing. All right, guys. Till next time. Titan pressure washing. It's TitanPW.com is our website. Titan pressure washing. 772-245-0402 is our phone number. Give us a call. You want your home to look like this instead of looking like that. Let's see if I can zoom in. We'll probably end up doing hers anyway. Till next time, guys.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida. Pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property cleaned with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.